If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Minnie, Blind Eyes Red. Official music video. In 3, 2, 1. Captions on. Yup. Is that a horse? Is that a horse?
Oh, here we go. Watch me shake it low.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Are we shaking ass? Wait, hold up. What do you mean shake it low?
Oh, here we go. Watch me shake it low. Everybody asking questions I don't even know.
That part? Oh.
My obsession grows. Everybody asking questions I don't
Even know?
Talking real fast when I got you, baby.
The hell? You talking real fast when you got me, baby? What?
Spending my time thinking about you lately.
Oh.
I can see no more, I'm blind, yeah. Tell me when you're lost to find you.
Whoa.
Lost to find you. You got me cold in my apartment screaming, yeah.
You got me cold in my apartment screaming, yeah. What?
You want somebody who can touch you like a...
Oh shit, she talking her shit. What in the female weekend is this, Minnie? She looks so good.
Look at the place I'm in. You got me FaceTiming. You got my eyes walking, my fire stoked, and I think I'm in. Riding like I'm starting for the money, yeah.
Riding like I'm stunning for that money, yeah?
Getting tired of the running and got funny there. Talking real fast when I got you, baby.
Ooh.
Spending my time thinking about you lately. I can see no more, I'm blind, yeah. Tell me when you're lost to find you. Lost to find you. You got me cold in my apartment screaming, yeah.
Damn. You want somebody who can touch you like I did. I don't know how she do that. Okay. Damn. Beat down on it, forfeit blinded eyes till red. What the hell?
Oh no, here we go. Watch me shake it low. Everybody asking questions.
I don't even know, girl. Hey, you need a rapper on this. You got. Whoa, that horse's eyes are red.
Slow, my obsession grows. Everybody asking questions I don't even know. You got me cold in my apartment screaming, yeah.
Damn, that outfit is crazy. Yo, hold up.
You want somebody who can touch you like a... I'm your masterpiece, my blinded eyes.
Oh my God, Minnie. Let's go.
He put that body on me. He's sick of calling no one else. He ain't
Wait,
gonna call it
this has to be an inner meaning for this.
I seem to forget where I am. When you come over, yeah. Beat down on it, forfeit blinded eyes.
What are we talking about? Eyes are red, blind eyes red. This is just a pre-release? Is the album already out? Or is the... Wait, hold up. Can I look at the comments for a second? Crying too much? Oh, I see. Minnie really suits the Dark Queen concept. Her siren voice. Yeah, I think that this slayed, bro. This slayed. Her solo debuts tomorrow. Oh. This got me wanting to know more. What's the tea, sis? What is the tea? This is on some like weekend shit though. I'm not gonna lie. This feel like some weekend shit. Yeah, someone said this is how you use autotune. She doesn't need it. We all know that, but she makes it more of a masterpiece. It makes it her art form too. He doesn't call her and her eyes are blinded red. Wait, how you know this already? Am I just dumb? I might be dumb. Hold up. Hold on, let me go through this again. I'm a girl. Like, I know obviously it's about a dude, but I don't know, like, and went through this shit. I see. Someone in my guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, you probably don't see the comments of my Twitch chat going, but someone's just telling me like, I know because I'm a girl. Okay, girls, let me know. Like, I know that men put y'all through some shit. I get it. But basically she said she went through some shit. Okay, I get it because she's been like crying all the time. Her eyes are red. Found out Hottie liked it too much, but then he didn't call again. That's the vibe I got. They left her cold in their apartment, means that he left her. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Like left and cold on red. Like yeah. Who hurt you, Minnie? Do I know them? Do I gotta cancel them? I see it right here too. Body on me. He ain't gonna call it for me. Basically, like not gonna call her. Asking questions like I don't even know. Probably referring to how she doesn't know why he up and left when they were in love. Dang, who cheated? Ooh. Hey, listen. The industry is very vile, bro. Shake my head, bro. It's unfortunate that people go through this type of shit. Who broke your heart, Minnie? Who broke your heart? Who cheated on you? Who did this? Who made your eyes red? Drama that doesn't involve us. You right. Damn, who is this message for, bro? Who is this message for? Because like, even like I was about to say, like, you look good, Minnie. You always look good, but I'm like, damn. Anyways, all right, I'm done.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.